Okay guys, Tom Baxter here at BAXTER PT. Again, we're doing another little outdoor workout series, and this one we're working on the muscle up. I did a series a while ago with Jesse at the Healthy T, taking through a female through more like 5 stages where you really break it down using some resistance bands and how to progress to be able to do a muscle up. Well, this is kind of stripped back maybe for someone who's a little bit more intermediate or advanced in strength and body weight ratio stuff. So we want to really just show you a few simple stages that you can practice on to make sure you're getting better at your muscle up. And again, guys, I'm no professional at these muscle ups. I'm actually a little bit heavier than I maybe should be right now. So if I can break it down, I believe you can too, if that's what you want to do. So let's get right to it, and hopefully I'll help you crack the muscle up by the end of this. Awesome. So guys, thanks for watching. I want you to just get out those sequences. What we've done, just so you can see it or hear it as well as seeing it, we're working on the kipping motion. So the importance with that is chest coming forward, feet backwards, and then swinging back through. So you're getting that momentum of your body weight hanging from the pull-up bar. Then focusing on the explosive pull. So with that swing, then seeing how low you can pull your hands down to get your chest up above the bar. Even if you're doing 3 to 5 reps like I did, that's exactly kind of the way you want to do it. Work on explosive reps, good quality reps. And then the next phase is maybe having a lower pull-up bar like we did, where you can practice getting your body close to the bar, rotate the wrists over, and then practicing the dip technique, because you're working a lot of shoulders and a lot of triceps in that one. So get good at your dips so you feel confident when you've got the strength to get you above the bar. And then finally, obviously, take some rest time, get the mindset on, believe you can do it, and even if it's 1, that's a success. So really just cracking that muscle up for your first time, guys, that's gonna be a win right there. So we wanna see and hear about it and how you're getting on with this. Thank you so much for joining us, following along. We've got so many more great videos coming for you guys. This is gonna cap off the end of our outdoor workout series, and we got a lot more in store for you. So again, you can find me at BAXTER PT and Jesse Minty at the Healthy T. Thank you so much.